Fritz wanted me to make a video of my iPad PDFs. It's in my iBooks. Those are my installation instructions and what have you. I take the manuals out of the units a lot of times, and I have a Fujitsu scan snap, and I'll scan snap them. Like this is a American Standard 5-ton 3 to 5 ton gas electric unit. It's 97 pages. So this is a service fax. So I always have them, because you know how it goes. 5 years down the road, nobody's heard the unit type thing. You can't get it online. That way, if I go back on the job, have a problem, I have everything already set up. But it's kind of neat. I have old school stuff. There's this would be a 646 gas valve manual. This is 1984, December of 1984. 646 is 18 pages on just the gas valve, so it's detailed. They don't even do this nowadays. You know, a lot of times you have the 3G, and even if you can get the manuals, if you can get it online, you can't download it. The 3G won't download it, so I'll just come home and do it. Download it on the iPad and have it in there. This is a outdoor 2-stage heat pump, outdoor Ream 2-stage heat pump manual. So, you know, if you're on a job and can't find it, or somebody gives you a call, they want to know what fuses it takes, I have it right here. Charging information. It's really handy. But I have all kinds of documents on here. Leak detection, there's Big Blue. This is some good stuff. It's fantastic stuff there. This is stuff I use. They make some refrigerant technologies. They make refrigeration technologies. They make a lot of good stuff. And what else I have? I got American Standard. Here's a train document. This is a split heat system heat pump service fax. Really kind of cool. Wiring diagram. Let's see. What else do I have? I got ECM stuff. It's ECM troubleshooting. Good stuff though. It's kind of nice when you're in a pinch, you have it downloaded and ready to go. Expansion valves, troubleshooting, how expansion valve works. These are the manuals to the, or installation instructions, manuals, whatever, to the Honeywell 2-stage. This is 2-stage zoning system. I think it says 2-stage zoning system. Is this 2-stage? Yeah. Yes, it is. So if your eyesight isn't that good, you can zoom in. But so I got, these are more the ream installation manuals. This is here. Expansion valve. This is great because you know, the customer asks you what is superheat or subcooling and you don't know. You can come out here really quick and read about it right here. I'm just kidding. But no, it's nice to have all this information at your beckoning need. But I thought I'd share it with you. There it is, Prestige IAQ thermostat. It comes into focus in a minute here after it downloads. Good stuff though. Alrighty, hope you liked the video.